welcome everyone. We're from the MIT Biomimetic Robotics Lab, the Department of Mechanical Engineering at MIT. The four of us are grad students working with Professor Kim, who also did the robotic cheetah that I think all of you might have seen. My name is Albert. Our operator today is Jean. We have John and also Wyatt here at the controls. The HERMES robotic system you see here consists of two parts. We have the robot and the operator side. And this concept we're trying to prove is human-in-the-loop feedback with haptic control. So if I were to push on this robot, the robot would sense that its own balance is being thrown off. And that information will get translated over to the balance feedback device, these three bars that are around our operator, and it will push on his waist to let him know the feeling that the robot is feeling. So all those sensations are translated over. And of course, all of his movements of his limbs are directly mapped back onto the robot, thus closing the loop. The reason we decided to do this is in a disaster situation, you want to be able to send someone in, but it's probably really dangerous, so you instead send a robot. And we can't put a human's brain in a robot, so we'll do the next best thing by allowing the experience of the robot to be shown to the user. So he feels as if he's there.
And on this next demo, we're going to show the balance feedback. Albert here is going to push on the robot, and you will see our pilot move around. Albert's going to still hold on to the robot so he can really give it a good push, one that might even throw our pilot off his balance. So we want to be sure we don't also let the robot fall off its balance. But that way you'll be able to see this whole apparatus move around.
And also the goggles that he's wearing are the camera view from the robot. So when he sees, he really feels like he is the robot.
And that's being shown on the TV over there. Take a few minutes.
You want to wait? Alright, I'm going to give a robot a couple of very violent pushes here that would tip the robot. And you can see on our operator how that force is felt by him. Whoa. Sorry, take it easy there. I'm a little mean to you, huh? I think he's going to spit in my coffee tomorrow. Alright, so I think that's enough about abusing our operator there. Thank you. A second important attribute that a robot needs to have when it goes into an unstructured environment is to be able to use tools. So here I have our trusty foam axe, and I'll give it to Hermes.
Very good.
Alright, so you can see you can manipulate objects quite easily. So that means power drills, hammers, axes. And now the last demo that we have is to show the strength of the robot. We don't want to just go into an unstructured environment. We want to be able to do something, whether that be clear rubble or push through obstacles. So our obstacle we have for the robot is a piece of drywall. And let's see how Hermes deals with this. Want to do a fist pump? All right. Okay, the power's now off on the robot. All of you are welcome to come closer, take a look at the insides, and all four of us can answer any questions.
Thank you. Wow.